Activating your Xfinity mobile device involves connecting it to Verizon's 5G network via a SIM. You'll use either an eSIM, which is digital and remotely programmed, or a pSIM, which is a traditional physical card. To activate, first ensure your device is unlocked and compatible with Xfinity Mobile. Then purchase a plan online or in-store. For eSIM activation, open the Xfinity app version 25.1 or higher, scan the QR code provided, or manually enter the eSIM details to download the profile. For pSIM, insert the SIM card into your device and power it on. Then follow the activation prompts in the Xfinity app or on the website. The device will then connect to Xfinity's servers for authentication, which usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. A key trend is the move towards eSIM dominance, making device setup and switching carriers more streamlined. A common activation error is SIM not provisioned. This can often be fixed by simply rebooting your device. If you see no service, check your coverage area or reset network settings. App crashes can usually be resolved by updating the Xfinity app to the latest version. For seamless setup, activate your device using Wi-Fi to avoid cellular dead zones. Ensure you're using two-factor authentication to prevent fraud. Xfinity Mobile now offers eSIM-only plans for new activations, reducing the need for physical SIM cards. If you have an older device that only supports pSIM, consider that pSIM support may be phased out by 2028 as the industry moves towards eSIM technology.